Good morning, all, to World Tourism Management Federation. Our new course is on leadership and organizational behavior. About this course, the digital age is dramatically reshaping the rules for organizational success. The new context demands renewal of your capabilities and development of different mindsets. Leaders in business and non-profit organizations increasingly work across national borders and in multicultural environments. Therefore, there is a need to enhance leadership and business skills for immediate impact. Also, learning about organizational behavior, which provides a great opportunity to develop your leadership skills and to reflect on your own behavioral tendencies. Certain questions we all have in our mind, like how do you usually make important decisions? What motivates you? And how do you try motivating others? If you really wanted to learn how organizations behave and they take decisions at the same time develop leadership skills, then this course is for you. Practice everyday leadership, manage people, learn and apply concepts and techniques to effectively manage organizations through organizational design and formulate and implement strategy. The learning outcome of this course are basics of leadership, international perspective on leadership, navigating culture and impact of cultural differences on organization, communication and its impact on leadership, motivation, developing motivation and commitment in teams, effective and defective conflict management approaches. This is achieved through 100% online training course that include multimedia content, short videos with professors and experts. A warm welcome to you. I wish you very pleasant and productive learning.